Welcome to Quick Source, where creative entrepreneurs tune into video workshops, coaching, personal mentorship for physical product design and business strategies. If you want to discover a step-by-step system for creating a profitable online physical product-based business from scratch, you're in the right place. If you run a business that requires you to generate top-notch physical product-based ideas to increase sales and avoid creative blocks, then this is the place to be. And if you want to go from overwhelmed and idealess to full-fledged, real-deal business owner, QuickSource will help to get you there. Do you want to learn the best creative small business tips and strategies to successfully grow your own craft, design, illustration, or giftware business? Hello, I'm Christine Sacramone, Creativity Stimulator, which is a lot easier way of saying I'm a physical product creator and coach, thoughtful mentor and educator, change maker for the artistic community, and creative representative for small businesses. And I love every minute of it. Listen, I knew from years of experience of online research that there was no valuable training as to how to successfully create a physical product-based business online. Not one that was teaching the truth about the steps it takes to do it properly from the very start when you have a seed of a product idea. I knew this had to change, so I set out to provide practical, honest, and inspiring guidance for all physical product-based businesses. I share the creative and business strategies I relied on for 3 decades as an executive creative director of physical product development that delivered an estimated $500 million in overall sales. Yeah, you heard that right. I have a history of developing physical products that the competition simply cannot touch. I can show you how to do the same. The truth is, too many physical product-based businesses fail because conceptual thinking is abandoned too soon. The early development phase is where the greatest ideas are generated, and it's never too late to apply essential creative thinking skills and continue to generate top-selling physical product ideas for your business. Unfortunately, I've seen entrepreneurs spend way too many months, even years, trying to make a so-so mediocre product sell. I see the poor advice online, as if you can fix your physical product-based business with service-based systems or social presence. It's just not true. Too many creative business owners are wasting a lot of time and money following poor advice on how to fix the physical products they have, when the only thing they need to do is to create a great product to start with. So I decided to take 3 decades of expertise and focus on being of service to the creative business community who are in a situation where they have the desire to succeed with a physical product idea, but they're struggling to find the right product to create while stumbling around trying this, trying that, just wishing they can land on the answers to generate the sales their businesses so desperately need. It's a sinking feeling, I know, and you're not alone. As a creative physical product designer myself, I represent the designers, innovators, and makers that are determined to create really special, custom design products with a soul based in design. Look, I know you want to create physical products with meaning and purpose, ones that are meant to be appreciated by all who purchase them. You know you have a product idea within you that can make a difference, be beautiful, practical, and useful, or simply bring a smile just by its presence. I know you want to create something extraordinary, and I'm really glad you've come to QuickSource to bring this level of heart and soul to your product-based business. When working together, we'll say hello to the balance of tapping into your passion and building your profits so we can say bye-bye to the overwhelm and confusion you're feeling right now. Let's talk about what you're working on. You have an idea. It could be as simple as a drawing on a napkin, or maybe a collection of patterns and formats that inspire you. It can be a great essential oil collection or a skincare product you've just been unable to get off the ground for a long list of reasons that have just left you stuck. Or is it a personal ritual, a creative skill set that lines up with who you are and expresses your personality through mindfulness, kindness, community, or your wonderful sense of humor? Do you love to illustrate birds? Do you have a collection of humorous mugs catering to the bird watching enthusiast? Is it something you dream about making into a business someday? Well, let's make that someday today. Here's where we come together and make it better than you ever imagined. Quick Source Coaching and Training is developed to help creative entrepreneurs at all stages of their physical product-based business journey. Easily accessible creative strategy and business training with everything you need in one place to get started on a clear path. Hey, if your business is growing fast and a bit of overwhelm is setting in, we will focus on your best sellers and narrow in on your most important growth opportunities with one-on-one coaching. Are you small and just starting out? We will structure a solid product foundation that you can build a successful business upon through a series of workshops. And hey, if you're a one-person show with way too many ideas, tasks, and not knowing what to do next, I promise to guide you in the direction that will remove the chaos, create order, and get you really excited about your future as a creative business owner. And listen, I get it if you're not even a business yet. This is an exciting stage of your journey. It's where inspiration is flowing and the absolute best ideas are born. Together, we will find creative product and business solutions to suit your exact business in whatever stage you're in right now. Let's elevate your physical products to generate maximum sales. I'll help you maximize your productivity and creativity without getting stuck. And bring your business forward on the leading edge to line up with your ideal customers. Do you want to learn my creative approach to design and business and successfully create and grow your own product design, craft, illustration, stationery, or giftware business? I know what you need to succeed as a physical product-based business owner. Join one of many quick-win self-guided workshops with beautifully designed idea mapping templates and learn why you shouldn't cast your net too wide when searching for the perfect physical product niche. Work with me one-on-one to accelerate your growth. There are packages available for all budgets. I create fun and inspirational training for creatives just like you. Isn't it time for everything to fall into place for you? Let's identify your particular needs and get started. Commit to the fast track of creative business success with the Product for Profit Lab, where we tap into your specific zone of genius. Hone in on your niche dream customer interests. Target these interests to develop a niche into a physical product that speaks to your customer and learn to market it to them properly. Take advantage of exceptional resource guides that help you do exactly that. Listen, I don't want to see you make the same costly mistakes so many creative product business owners make, so here are 3 costly mistakes to avoid. 1. You quickly create a physical product based on your excitement. Oh, it's a bit too soon to do a happy dance. 2. You invest all your savings into materials, manufacturing, and inventory. Yikes, it's just too soon. 3. You lose a tremendous amount of time juggling websites, advertising, posting on social media, and searching for gurus to tell you what to do next. Oh boy. It doesn't take long to realize it's not as simple as 1, 2, 3. And boom, as quickly as you launched your physical product-based business, it's over. Sadly, it's clear you're not going to succeed. And the worst part is, you're not even sure where it all went wrong. Product ideas pop into your head by the hundreds, I'm sure, but that doesn't mean they're all worthy of being your dream business. I simply cannot stress this enough. Without the right product idea from the very start, you simply will not have a business that will survive. So don't waste your time and resources on anything without a solid physical product idea. As a business owner, you need to ask yourself this: why do so many physical product-based businesses fail so quickly? The answer is simple. The product itself was not developed properly from the very beginning, or flat out, the product just isn't a very good idea. Now I know this can be really hard to hear. Selecting a product category with heavy competition and no idea what your unique selling point is a formula for disaster. It can be very difficult to differentiate your product in a crowded marketplace if you haven't established your product niche to align with your ideal customer's needs. Here's a quick tip. Look, it comes down to inadequate analysis from the very start in product design, marketing, sourcing, and manufacturing, which leads to a lot of time and money spent on unsaleable physical products. It's sad because you can avoid all of this if you take the time from the very beginning to create something really special. Honestly, I want to see you create physical products that line up with you and your ideal customer so that you can make maximum sales. And I say this from a place of experience. Don't fast-track the design and development phase. You're guaranteed to overlook the most critical steps in conceptual physical product-based thinking. Trust me, the future of your business may depend on this. I'm Christine, your creative product design coach and business mentor. I want you to get the expert training, creative inspiration, and support you need to grow your business. I have helped so many creative business owners, and I'd love to help you. Here's what you'll want to do next. Enroll in a self-guided course or one-on-one training. If you're unsure as to what's right for you based on where you're at in your business right now, then schedule a free discovery call with me and we'll discuss your options. I'll provide pro tips to help create the most innovative product you have within you, just like I've done for thousands of successful physical products totaling over 500 million in sales. Look, if you dream of making money with your creative pursuits, search no more. The creative industry knowledge you are craving for is right here for physical product design. At QuickSource, it's all about creativity, inspiration, and growth for physical product-based business owners just like you. If you're an action taker, and I really hope you are, I know I'll see you in the training. This is where creatives unlock their authentic zone of genius to maximize true product potential and growth that you desire. Together, let's make this happen. Visit quicksource.co.